Welcome back to the channel. Stop everything you are doing because this three-wheeled time machine just broke the internet and my brain. We have seen 1,000 camper vans, but I guarantee you have never seen a vehicle that looks like a vintage Vespa had a baby with a luxury yacht, and then decided to go fully electric for 2026. I was walking through the woods when I spotted this mint green dream parked by the lake, and the first thing I noticed wasn't the color, it was the silence. While traditional petrol vans are rattling your teeth out and coughing up fumes, this thing glides like a ghost. But the real magic happens when you pull that heavy chrome handle and step inside a space that feels bigger than physics should allow. Look at the way this interior glows compared to those dark, cramped vans of the past. Instead of a grease-stained kitchenette, you have warm oak shelving and a recessed lighting setup that looks like a high-end boutique hotel. You aren't just camping in a vehicle, you're living inside a piece of mid-century modern art that just happens to have wheels and a battery. Now you might be wondering how a tricycle handles the weight of a full studio apartment. It's a fair question because this design is daring. While your old gas guzzler is fighting for a parking spot, this nimble electric frame can tuck into corners where a sprinter would get stuck. But there is a secret hidden in that rear wheel arch that changes the entire stability game. The honesty of this build is what gets me. The pros are obvious. Zero emissions, a footprint smaller than a sedan, and an aesthetic that makes people stop and stare. But let's talk about the reality. With only 3 wheels and that tall, rounded roofline, you probably aren't going to be racing through mountain hairpins or taking this on a heavy off-road trail in a storm. This isn't for the person who wants to conquer the wilderness with brute force and loud engines. This is for the soul who wants to wake up to the sound of birds instead of a cold start diesel. It's for the person who values a perfectly brewed coffee on a wooden countertop over a massive towing capacity. It's a trade-off of power for pure, unadulterated peace. Every time I look at those dual swinging doors, I imagine a different life where I'm not tied to a mortgage, just a charging cable and a sunset. It makes you realize that maybe we've been doing van life all wrong by trying to bring the whole house with us. I want to know if you think this is the future of minimalist travel, or if the three-wheel design is just a step too far for you. Would you actually trust this on a cross-country trip? Or is it strictly for weekend lakeside vibes? Drop a comment below because I'm reading every single one to see if I'm the only one falling in love with this electric bubble.